Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Everyone's having a good day out there today? So I got some new information that just got released a couple days ago. It's some big information to do with the recall from Honda. And this one affects over 2 million vehicles. So it's a big one. If you guys have Honda or Acura products in your house, there's a good chance that one of these will be affected by this recall. And some that there's been big issues with. So let me go ahead and get into exactly what I'm talking about. So if you remember a while back, it's actually was in January 2 years ago, in 2023. Honda released a service bulletin about the issue with the idle stop start, how the system will shut off like it does at when you come to a stop at lights or whatever, and then it'll turn back on. Well, there was a big issue where it wouldn't restart. And a lot of people have been saying they have the same issue where you'll take your foot off the brake and it's supposed to kick back on and it won't kick back on. So Honda knew there was a big issue with this. So they actually put a service bulletin out. And basically what they did was the repair was outlined in this bulletin. It was a two-stage fix. So first they would update the program fuel injection software and then replace the starter assembly, starter relays, and then add in a valve adjustment if the software update failed. But they did all this, and what do you know? A few days ago, the NHTSA announced there's another investigation into this, into over 2 million Honda and Acura products, stating that what they did back in January 2023 wasn't effective. And so far, this has to do with the 3.5 liter V6 engines. So it's got to be in the 2016 to 2019 Pilot, the 2015 to 2020 TLX, the 2016 to 2020 MDX, the 2019 to 2022 Passport, and then the 2020 to 2023 Ridgeline. So those are all the vehicles that Honda and Acura makes with a 3.5 liter V6. And so far, that's the ones that they're looking at, and that accounts to more than 2 million vehicles just right there. And the reason they're opening this investigation again is because people are still saying after they took their vehicles in and had all this done, they're still having the same exact issues with it, where the car won't restart. And very soon here, they're going to have an engineering analysis of the stop-start system, and Honda and the NHTSA are going to work together to find a solution to this problem that obviously wasn't fixed 2 years ago. And what Honda did back then was they gave you an extended warranty to 10 years with unlimited mileage for vehicles that weren't fixed via the software update. But again, it doesn't seem like this was actually fixed because they're still opening this up, and there's been a ton of people saying that their car's still not starting, and some even had to get a jump start. So it wouldn't start back up, even the pushing the button, shifting it to park, all that stuff, they had to get it jumped. So there's something going on here that's an ongoing issue, and it's concerning because it's over 2 million vehicles, and that's just from the V6 models. And I'm not sure if the other Honda and Acura products without the V6 engines use different systems. So they said this could expand even further once they start investigating what exactly is going wrong. It could expand to all their products with the idle stop start. So this will be very interesting to pay attention to because, like I said, this was just this past Wednesday. So something's going to be coming in the works here. Some big change, maybe extended warranties, new systems, whatever that is. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted what comes up. But again, let me know if you have one of those vehicles in the comment section if you had issues with your idle stop start. But it seems to be a huge problem going forward, and they have not fixed it to this date. So we're going years into this now. So again, I want to bring that to your attention since it just came out, and it could affect one of your vehicles you have. So again, I just want to keep you guys posted. Again, any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. I appreciate it as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.